So, November 31st officially. Oh no, 8 a.m. My parents are still not home. I'm pretty tired, as you can see. Maybe you can't see. But yeah, I am pretty tired. Right now, I'm watching South Park. It's called South Park. It's a Jersey. Or, no, it's not the episode I'm watching. Oh, I'm watching in Sheepshan.
Well, I might need it if I ever have to,
Maggots are crawling down my hand and biting my wrist. Can we throw this away?
Well, I guess so, but... Well, wait, this is all happening a little fast. Can we just slow down?
Now, how about this empty aspirin bottle?
Well, no, don't throw that out.
Can we throw out these wadded up papers then?
No, because there could be something written on one of them that's important. No, don't take my empty bottle. Give me back my sandwich!
Wow. Anyways, I'm waiting for my videos on YouTube to upload.
I don't know.
So, yeah.
I'm here to help you with whatever problems you might have. So what is the matter?
Well, my friends are worried that I'm showing signs of hoarding.
Hoarding? What's that?
Well, apparently it's when you don't throw anything away.
It makes such a funny noise. I'm so bored.
I haven't heard of that.
I'm going crazy. My mom always says I'm going crazy.
Matthew, is there anything you want to talk about?
Squirrel. No. Was not a squirrel.
Well, like, we got an old milk carton here from a month ago that's like...
Don't you touch that!
It's a little red fox kitty.
You throw that away, I will rape you in the mouth! Okay? I will rape you in your fucking mouth! Okay?
Whoa, it just got really dark. Okay, now it's light
There's
again.
no doubt about it.
I'm good.
Counselor here is a class 5 hoarder. As for your son, Mr. and Mrs. Mark, he's easily class 3.
But why is Mr. Matthew doing this now? Yes, our son has always been careless.
We
She's
don't know
chocolate
about
blue.
what causes hoarding, but we do know it often relates to some kind of psychological trauma. If it's okay with you, we'd like to run some tests on both of them.
Is that really necessary for a scan? It's just his locker.
I don't know if you realize how serious locker hoarding is. It can lead to room hoarding, then house hoarding. In some cases, people even hoard.
Anyway, I'm just gonna go now because this is a really pointless video.
That weird guy over on Burgess Road.
Anyways, watch South Park on southparkstudios.com. You can watch full episodes and it's just amazing. It's like, why TiVo episodes or like record them on whatever you have, like on demand or something, when you can just go straight to their website. Every show should have this. I mean, yeah, the internet might get a little crowded every once in a while, but you know, it's the internet. I don't think it gets full in any way. But yeah, so look it up on Google. Just search South Park episodes, or just go to southparkstudios.com. It's www.southparkstudios.com. If you don't know how to spell South Park Studios, good luck. No spaces. Check it out.